Hello folks, this is Scott with Dallas Paint Correction Luxury Microfiber. Scott, what are we doing? I want to talk about something. I'm about 7 to 10 days out with releasing my own maintenance car soap. Yay, Scott, what's it all about? There's so many soaps on the market. We don't need another soap. Yeah, I think you're, I get it. I understand how you feel. I'm going to show this soap of mine. It's going to be called DPC foam. I like a more runny type of foam. I don't want to waste product. I want to get a foam on the car. I want it to kind of run and be able to pull off whatever it can pull off and drop it off the paint. I know guys out there really like thick snow foam, right? I'm going to show my soap in a foam cannon. Inside this foam cannon, it's a cheap Chinese foam cannon. I have about 3 ounces in the foam cannon. I'm going to show you its ability to be able to foam that way. And I think it might turn a lot of people on. But let me show you what I'm using. What I have down on the ground are 2 brushes. Scott, you should pick those up. So when you're looking at trying to create some really nice foam out of foam cannon, we all know how important it is for the power washer to give us the specs we want, right? If you have high GPM, this AR613 by Blue Clean is about 2 gallons per minute. That's really going to start getting you in that territory where you're going to get some really nice shaving cream foam. So whenever we're using a soap in a foam cannon, we know that a power washer is important, right? Well, also the source of water that you have is important. It doesn't get discussed a lot. If you have really hard water, really soft water, that's going to change the way the soap works in a foam cannon. But let me show you with my water source, my gallons per minute from the electric power washer, let me show you what this can do, my soap can do with just 3 ounces in the foam cannon. You guys ready? Let's have some fun. Hey, it's 75, 80 degrees in the middle of October. Let's foam things away. Now, I guess that's pretty impressive, right? You got shaving cream, snow foam. I'll bring you guys closer in with the camera. It's running off nice, but I actually like a little bit of a looser foam. It all comes down to personal preference. But let me bring you in closer with the camera. Hold on, folks, while I try to do this with one hand and run the power washer. I'll show you up close its ability to foam. Again, I'm using 2 gallons per minute with a power washer. I've got pretty good water here. Depending on your water source, you may see a little bit of a different response. You know, soap manufacturers don't want to talk about that. They just want to wow you with lots of foam. My God, you can hear it when it's dropping on the ground. It's like heavy, heavy, heavy. Now to me, I just think this is a waste of soap, but I know some people like it and it makes them all happy, right? Now the beauty of this soap, guys, it's not so much its foaming capabilities, its lubrication is really nice, but even beyond that, what's really nice about this soap is its ability to be used in direct sunlight. I just made a video a minute ago, or sometime today, about letting it bake in the sun for about 8 minutes. Folks, you can use this in direct sunlight, and if you kind of lose awareness and this stuff dries on the paint, I've actually let it sit on the paint for over 25-30 minutes in very, very hot temperatures. and the soap was able to rinse off, reactivate with just hitting it with water, and left no residue behind, no streaking, so that's really nice. I even think at 3 ounces inside the foam can, it's got some nice heavy thick foam, right, but it still kind of runs off the panel. That's what I want to see, because I want it to drop and pick off the loose dust and dirt that can come off the panel. Now I sprayed my car, and my car was clean because I just washed it, so we're not going to see any dirt in the runoff here, but I think that gives you an idea what's going on, right? Now I'm going to rinse it. Does it rinse well? Does it rinse freely? Is it going to fight you when you're trying to get rid of this stuff? Let me go ahead and rinse it for you. My target date with releasing DPC foam is about 7 to 10 days from now, so I don't know what today's date is. I'm too tired to figure it out, but it's the middle of October. We'll probably have it in stock towards the end of October. It will only come in a gallon format. So let me go ahead and rinse this off and see if it rinses freely. Somebody's going to ask me, Scott, is this a strip wash? No, this is a maintenance car soap. This is friendly for all natural waxes, synthetic paint sealants, ceramic sprays, ceramic coatings, what else? SiO2 products. It's safe for all of them. The pH on this is about an 8. So it's slightly shifted to the right. It's got some cleaning ability. Its lubrication is great. Great in a hand wash, a bucket wash, whatever you want to call it. Great in a foam cannon. And the beauty of it, here in Dallas, my target was being able to leave a soap on a car and completely let it bake on the surface for over 20-25 minutes. And can I rinse it off at that point, kind of reactivate it with some more water, and would I be fighting streaks? Would I be fighting residue? Would I have some type of what looks like staining, and I might have to get really aggressive with removing it off the paint? You will not have this with DPC foam. It's a very user-friendly experience, but the sunlight factor was the kind of the benchmark where I wanted to be with this soap. 2 ounces for me inside a foam cannon with my water source and my power wash is great. I foam it up, I rinse it off, I do my contact wash, I'm great. If you want really thick shaving cream, 3 ounces. There's some guys out there that have soaps that they manufacturer, and they recommend putting 4 ounces in a foam cannon. Holy crap, if you put 4 ounces of my soap in a foam cannon with a good GPM power washer, it'll be really thick. But at that point, I don't know what the point is. You know, I want it to kind of run and pull off the loose dirt and, you know, dirt and dust. But there you go. There is DPC foam. Give me about 7 to 10 days. Towards the end of October, we'll release it. It'll be in a gallon form. We'll disclose the price when we put it on the website for you guys. Love you so much. Talk to you guys soon.